Hey guys, it's Yani here,
and
we're back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be reacting to Morissette Amon and Darren Espanto singing A Whole New World.
Oh, I don't like that song.
Okay, well then this video is over. Thank you
Thank
guys so much for watching.
Please
see you next time.
like
this
comment,
video,
share with friends and family, and share it to Morissette Amon as well.
Yes.
Let her know
Bye,
that I do
guys.
not appreciate that song.
Okay.
Really? With Darren Espanto? The first time I saw him, he was just a little kid, very cute. Now he became a man.
He's a man. Saw a little bit of clip of Morissette saying this song. I was shocked. I thought she was lip syncing because she sounds very Princess Disney Broadway.
Oh.
Her voice is very versatile. You can hear it. Like,
so
it's
like
crazy.
She kind of changed it.
Yeah.
For the performance.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this one is like with an interview as well. So it's a little bit long. Anyway, so this one is with the performance and the interviews. So let's see.
Let's get right into the video.
Darren Espanto.
Oh.
Morissette
Amon.
Oh, she doesn't need a last name. It's just
Morissette. It's been a while since we reacted to them.
There we go. Beautiful.
His voice has changed. Oh my god.
Yeah, it became warm.
He's
very
a
warm
man.
and deep.
He's a man now.
That white suit. Yeah, but a bit of a spotlight in the face though. Let's do it.
Maybe later when they sing A Whole New World.
Bright it up a little bit.
Wow! Oh my gosh, that is actually very good.
Incredible.
His voice is very much fuller now.
Cause I remember him singing Chandelier. That's the first song I heard.
He was a
of
lot
him.
younger then, so he can belt all those high notes.
I know.
Now his voice has developed and he's become a
it's
man.
Beautiful.
He's a man now. I actually like it.
Darren, feel free to call me at 647-570.
He's the perfect fit for the song. Right?
Yeah. Camera was a bit late in this situation. Wow.
In a whole new
Her
world.
hair is freaking incredible.
Can we talk about how, okay, the way I know Morissette is, she is a belter, she can scream, she can yell, she can belt the house down, and her voice is known to be very powerful, singing all those Mariah, Whitney, and all that. And with this, she has a very versatile voice that she can actually pull it back and make it into a princess. Disney princess voice, like Lea Salonga.
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
Yeah,
that's very true.
This type of singing is almost like a Broadway type of singing. It's like a musical type of singing, and it's totally different from the pop type of singing because it's more a lot of runs and all that. But this one, oh my god, she can pull it off.
Can we keep watching it?
You know why I'm doing this?
I know. Wow, they're such a beautiful couple. They should date.
Are. I think they're almost the same age. Look at the earrings. Oh, they changed a little bit.
Oh my goodness. It's true, she's like very light and
right, because the regular Morissette, she would have yelled, she would have screamed, and she would have
gone for a
belted.
Whistle. She would be like,
yeah, but now she's like, she pulled it back. She's like a princess. I love her. You know what? I know you don't like this song, but come on, watching Morissette singing this song, you must be excited a little because we know how talented she is.
Well, a little.
I am. I'm a big fan of Morissette. I know he does.
Yeah.
He loves Moira.
I love Morissette. What are you talking about?
Putting words in his mouth.
Yeah, he just... Guys, you know, the truth of this is that is because all of you like me, then he wants to throw shade on
Okay,
me.
we talked too much. Harmony.
Oh, I like what they did just there.
Harmony.
Oh, are they singing the rest or no?
I think that's it.
Oh my gosh.
Wasn't that just feeling like a
Oh
magic
wow!
carpet ride
I also saw a
through the
clip.
streets of Agrabah?
I also saw a clip of Morissette singing in the car. Oh, like I think it was the mixed music where they have like a car, just like a karaoke car. She sounds so good too.
Oh my
But
gosh.
Anyway,
You know, the thing I love about this performance, beside the fact that their voices are so amazing and so great together, they really complement each other so
they
well.
do.
But also their style, because if you see the picture in the background of Aladdin and the
Yes.
princess, they're wearing same color tone. Also
Yeah.
Darren and Morissette.
Oh yes, yeah.
And
The blue and the white.
blue,
yeah.
the white.
The designer thought it out. That's good.
Morissette hair is like so beautiful.
Yeah.
The makeup, good job, Miko.
No, that Darren has the biggest improvement. Like,
Oh my god.
because I'm always worried, like especially when boys that are like belter when they were younger, it always changes. What your voice changes when you grow older, right? So I'm always curious how good, if it's good voice change or is it a bad voice
Yeah.
change? But Darren's voice is full.
Because there's this Italian guy that was a superstar when he was a kid, and then now he's no one because his voice changed but in a bad way.
In a bad way. Okay, let's watch a little bit of the interview.
Going for the two of you. So congratulations, Maury. Congratulations,
Look how
Darren.
beautiful she is.
I was able
I'm a
to
big
chat
fan.
with our audiences, or they all reacted to me when I said, how do you remember taking to the animated film back in 1992? So, let's not do the math, okay? How do you remember when you first watched Aladdin? How did you react to it? Were you instantly inspired? What was the first thing you like gravitated to? What did you get inspired with? Who wants to start?
Well, for me, for the very first time I got to watch Aladdin, I was very, very young, of course. And one of the things that really stood out to me was really the song "A Whole New World," and that
That's the
flying
anthem of the
carpet
movie.
scene is just always there. It's
A
like,
whole
if you think of Aladdin, that's the first thing you remember.
That's true.
But all the other scenes are just as significant, and yeah, I've always loved Aladdin ever since.
How about Darren?
Well, for me, yeah, of course, the scene where they sing "A Whole New World," but for me, it was being able to
His voice is so
watch the whole
changed.
thing, and it was also magical. You know, watching how Genie,
You like the genie.
yeah, the Genie gets to sing along as well.
Oh my gosh,
Aladdin,
it's
but
so
also,
cute.
all the songs.
Look
I
at-
love singing along.
look at
all
his
the songs when I was
shoes.
a kid,
Mm-hmm.
and especially "A Whole New World." So yeah.
Because of course there's other songs. There's a Friend Like Me, there's Prince Ali,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Especially for a guy. There's more guy songs
There's
when it
a
comes
lot.
to Aladdin. But I
Yeah,
like
there's a
how
lot of
still
guys
The first time I watched it, I was so
A Whole
scared
New
of the
World
cave when they go in the
resonates
cave
for
and there's
Yes,
the lava.
that was actually
Knowing
scary.
you had this imprinted in your mind, how did you react when you got the call that you were chosen by Disney to sing Jordan?
Oh, they're chosen by them.
Wow.
Thank you for the wonderful question.
Well, I was very happy and I was very excited, and it's such an honor to be able to be part of this whole project and to be able to kind of remake a classic Disney hit.
He's so cute when he
Wow.
speaks in front of the camera because I can tell he's a
Of
big
course,
fan.
yes, I was thrilled when I found out, and I guess it's just always every Disney
Her English is
kid's
so
dream
good.
to be able to do a project with Disney and to
She's-
be able to bring a fresher rendition to a classic such as A Whole New World, and also amongst all the amazing singers here in our country, and we were given the opportunity
Yes,
to,
Yeah.
there's a lot of amazing singers
to,
and
to give that rendition, of course, knowing also that the original was Miss Lea Salonga, which is also
yes, she's Filipino.
Oh, really?
Lea Salonga.
Was she the original in
She was the original, and she's the original of Mulan.
Oh.
Reflection.
Before. I think you go on tours together, concert tours a lot. But what makes this particular Disney experience special about how you worked on the song And there's a music video, right? So what makes
Wait, they
this
have a music
different
video?
or special?
Oh, wait, I'm so confused.
Yes, we have done a lot of shows with Darren, touring and doing concerts, but this is our first time working on a track together. So
A recording.
a recording together.
First time.
So it was very refreshing also
God.
for us to be able to know how our voices blended on a song. And yeah, I really enjoyed working with Darren. He's like a little brother to me na rin po. But today we had to cut that out.
Darren is so handsome.
Oh, they're so cute together. Oh, that's so sweet.
So sweet.
Oh
so,
my god.
guys, you know everything as usual. Comment below what happened. Like, do they have a music video?
Yeah, do you want us to react to the music video?
Yeah, if there's
but
a music
maybe
video.
not because they copyright us.
I think what my gut is, I don't know anything, I should research, but I think my gut is that Disney hired singers from different countries to as part of the promotion for the movies coming out, and it happened that in the Philippines it's Morissette and Darren that they hired.
I wonder in Italy who they hired.
Yeah, so there has to be an Italian version,
Yeah,
right?
because even the movie for us is in Italian with all the
Dubbed
songs
Italian,
in Italian.
yeah. Huh, it's interesting.
Interesting.
Well, I really enjoyed that. I only wanted to react to it because I wanted to watch Morissette. That's all.
She is amazing as
I wanted to
usual.
watch her.
She never, ever in all the videos that we did let
Fails.
us down.
Yeah, she never
failed.
fails. Like
she's always so perfect. How can she be so perfect?
Because
That she's wet. That
she's Filipino. That's why.
I wonder if she farts like normal people. Or
Of
not.
course she does. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time.
But she farts on a whistle.
Bye, guys.